And there's a fly biting my head. It's very irritating. As long as I'm very, very still, it doesn't seem to mind me being here too much. But while I'm being still, I'm being bit. Mosquitoes, deer fly, horsefly, whatever the heck it is on my head. I think it's a robin. I think. I'm not known for my eyesight, so yeah. Or knowing birds even. Oh, there he is. Okay. Or she. Just foraging, having a ball. Keeps going farther away. Maybe I could get closer. I'm also not known for being light on my feet. Well, you keep going away. All I want to do is watch you. Why you keep taking off on me? Come back. And of course, it just took off. Oh well.